Hi there, first grade Task Learning Hub. It's Desiree here, and I'm excited to talk to you about 3 ways that you can help your child become stronger at the skill of summarizing. I know this is something that Ms. Humoller taught in the last reading lesson. She taught about summarizing, cause and effect, and predictions, but I'm just going to focus on summarizing. So the first way that you can help your child with summarizing is by having them create their own hand. So this is one that I created for my first graders when I taught them when I was in the schools. And I showed them 5 different ways that can help them with when they solve tricky words. Like when they come to a word they don't know, what strategy can I use? That's what this was. But I was thinking that you could use the same thing when it comes to summarizing. So each hand could be another transition word that they can use to tell the important events that happen. So like this, the thumb could be first, this happened, then this happened, next, this happened, after that, this happened, and then finally. And these transition words is just great practice to be using those now, because that is something that they're going to be expected to be able to produce in their writing pieces as they keep moving up those grade levels. So having them verbally say these transition words as they're retelling or summarizing the story is just great foundation work for that writing that they're going to have to do later on. So that is more of a visual, like a verbal way to getting them to practice summarizing. And it's visual because they have the hand. But I'm going to show you another visual way that your child could use at home as they're practicing the skill of summarizing. Now, if you have some sort of notebook at home, I highly recommend that you break up your notebook into parts. So have like a big box at the top where they can draw a picture and just a few lines that they could write. So with my page here, you could have your child draw the important things that have happened in the story, and then they can take that drawing and then just write a few words about what has happened so far that matches the pictures that they drew in the story. So now they have a visual way because they drew the pictures, and then now they're writing about it. So now they're putting words on the page that's going to help them become a stronger writer too. And so all of this working together, verbally retelling the story, drawing a picture to retell the story, and then writing a few words that matches the picture, all of that together is going to help them not only become stronger in summarizing, but it's also going to help them in the future when they need to start using transition words in their writing and need to start doing more writing about what they're reading, like more paragraphs and pages about the stories they read. This is all good foundation work to all of that that's coming. So, all right, let me know in the comments if you have any questions about summarizing. I would love to answer them for you. Okay, have a great week. Bye-bye.